If you want to create your own wallpaper with AI on a Nothing Phone 3, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna go to Customization. Now select More Wallpapers. And then over here we have Wallpaper Studio. In my case, I can just create a new wallpaper by pressing this Create button. Then we have different categories that we can choose from. You can also press this plus button in order to start creating. And after a few seconds, you should be able to see the results. And there we go. Of course, if you want to, you can recreate the wallpaper if you don't like the results. So you can have another go. There we go. If we go back, instead of selecting manually whichever options you wish to use, you can just press Surprise Me, and then the phone will randomly choose both categories. And there we go. If you want to download this wallpaper, you can press this download button in the top right corner. If you just wanted to set it as a wallpaper, then of course we have this option over here. You can press this check. After that, you can select where you want to have it, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.